Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the latest Microsoft Office 2024, and I'm going to type here Office Deployment Tool and select the Download Office Deployment Tools from the Microsoft official website and select Download option. So once you have download complete the Office Deployment Tool, we need to customize our applications. So in this case, I'm going to open the new tab and type here Office Customization Tool 2024. On the Office Customization Tool, select 64-bit and just scroll down. You can see here the Office suites. I'm going to select the Office LTS Professional Plus 2020-24 volume license. Scroll down again, and when you come down and there is a Visio, if you want you can select here, and when you come down you can customize whatever application you needed. So in this case I'm gonna uncheck the publisher and OneDrive desktop and also the access. The rest of the apps I have selected, and scroll down again, and when you click language, select the English United States. If you need additional language, you can select, there is options, and then I'm gonna go to export options. On the right side you can see on the default format, select the Office Open XML format and click on OK. So once you have selected, select I accept the terms and conditions, and the file name you can enter whatever you needed. Alright, so then click on export. After download, so this two file I'm gonna copy to the C drive. Go to this PC and open C drive. Then I'm gonna create the new folder Office 2024. Then I'm gonna paste inside the folder these two files. I'm gonna right click on the Office Deployment Tools and select Run as Administrator. We need to extract the file, alright, and click on Run. So here we need to select the same path which we have created. Okay, so select this PC and go to C drive and select Office 2024 folder, then click on OK. Now you can see here configuration Office file is ready and the setup also is ready. Okay, once you have extract the file, go to Start menu and type ZMT and right click Run as Administrator, and here we need to enter a few commands. Type cd space c:/ Office 2024 and hit enter. Enter the next command setup.exe space /download space configuration.xml and hit enter. So here, after entering these commands, you need to wait a few seconds to download, and the next command setup.exe space /configure space configuration.xml and hit enter. As you can see, this will take several minutes. Please wait until the installation complete. So if you have a good internet connection, easily you can download. Finally, we have installed the Microsoft Office 2024. The installation complete successfully. Okay, so click on close this, and here you can see the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These are the apps is already installed. So I'm gonna click on the Word document, select the blank document, and here you can see we have successfully installed the Microsoft Office 2024. Go to the file and select account, and the same way I'm gonna open the Microsoft Excel. The Microsoft Excel also is working perfect, and these are the way you can install the Microsoft Office 2024. For the activation, click on the file and go to accounts and select the change product key. Enter product key. And dear viewers, this is only for testing purpose. The Microsoft released this product key only for limited time. If the product key is officially released, you need to purchase the license and change the product key. Click on activate this office, and this product key I'm gonna give the description. Please go ahead and check. And dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comments in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.